Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to MapleLeaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and on the docket today is a small but important housekeeping matter. A few weeks back I did a 3,000 subs 3 customs giveaway, and this little Texaco custom was never claimed by the winner. I set it aside and forgot about it, but that needs to be made right today. So I'm doing a redraw for this car. We go back to the original video and copy the URL. I'm pasting that into the YouTube random comment picker filter duplicate users. This is just for the Texaco car, so the key word had to be Gulf or Shell or Texaco, in this case, just Texaco. Skill testing question. And there are 40 unique comments. So let's roll the dice one more time and see who the winner of the Texaco car is. Dane Self, outstanding. Dane is a regular supporter of my channel. Congratulations, Dane. Please contact me privately at this email address with your shipping details, and I wish you and everyone a very Merry Christmas.